So this is an HP ProBook machine. It's not turning on. We're gonna do a little upgrades and do a little service on it, and then I think we're gonna get it done. So this is a ProBook HP. Here we go. So we're gonna open it and then troubleshoot it and then let it come on. The person said after that if it comes on he needs an upgrade, and then we're gonna do an upgrade. We have to open it and see what the board is gonna say. If it can happen then. Okay. Okay, it's on now. Let me see if I have a display. That's the most important thing. Okay, good, I have a display. Let's go off and put it off. Good. That's all I want. That's all I want. Bingo, here we go. It works fine. Good. That's it. Great job.